What's going on, everyone? We are going to debunk angles to Polaris on a flat topographical plane today. I've got this at 50 degrees, pointing up at that light, that street light, or parking light. I accounted for the 8 inches between the pole and the post, ran this measuring tape out, 180 feet. I'll straighten it as I walk along. I got a little rock on it. But as of right now, we are at 50 degrees, 18 feet 4 inches about. And we'll run it out every 10 degrees. Okay, so now we're at 40 degrees, aiming straight up. I don't know how this view is going to turn out, but we are at 23 feet and about 5 inches.
So I looked through the hole with my eyes to get it centered, and then would fold the GoPro back into the spot, and this is the view the GoPro got. So we're not going to use that for any of this video.
So now, 30 degrees, again, pointing at our fake Polaris. And it is 32 feet 10 inches about. Okay, so 20 degrees, aiming at Polaris there, and we are sitting at 55 feet. Okay, so now we're at 10 degrees. I'll put this right next to it. We're aiming at it, and we are at 18 foot 6 inches. You can see it's as straight as I can pull a line. It's scrunching up. But we're going to try, we're not going to get to 0, so we'll try 5 degrees. So I got it to 6 degrees at 182 feet, but I can't be bothered to do this anymore because, again, flat earth measurements don't work out. Pretended that light was Polaris, and it did not have a linear drop like we see in reality when we move away from Polaris. Testing any measurements on a flat earth as if we do any measurements in reality don't work yet again.
So I charted it out. On the top is my measurements in that parking lot, feet and angle, but you can see how it ramps down and then it thins out, and it's probably going to go to infinity and never reach 0. And this is reality, where it's a linear drop, like we know and love. All of these I got by searching distance to the North Pole from specific cities, and then what their latitudes were. I picked random cities like Reykjavik, London, I think this one's Toronto, this is Phoenix because I live here, all the way down to Aruba, high max. But we can see how linear it is. So I did this in my backyard with a 6.5 inch diameter globe, and it seemed to match reality, as close as I could get it. Now I could scale this up and try it again, and I'll do that. So when scaled up to a 7,926 mile diameter ball, it seems to work out perfect. The globe always seems to work. It is the weirdest thing. I challenge any flat earther, debunk me. Prove me wrong. Where did I do this wrong? And if you don't feel like proving me wrong, because you can't, then I challenge you to debunk anything about the globe. Let me know. Let me know what does not work on a globe, and we'll test it out since you're too lazy to. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. If you enjoyed the show, please like and subscribe. Just kidding. I don't give a shit what you do, but enjoy the rest of your day.